So I am going to show you 3 ways to consume aloe vera. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I have an aloe vera series, and now we are on series 9. Series 10 coming next. Now here I'm gonna show you, this is going to be the first clip I have on YouTube using aloe vera. I'm going to show you 3 ways. So this is the aloe vera leaves that I use. They're big and they're organic and from the edible range. You know, aloe vera comes in different types. You have to make sure when you buy aloe vera to make sure to buy the one that is organic and edible, because there are some other ones that are mainly used for cosmetic reasons or just decoration. So you would want the edible grade. Now, I'll show you how I cut my aloe vera, and then I'll show you 3 different ways I consume it. So this is the aloe vera that leaf that I'm gonna use for these 3 creations. Now, the reason I'm wearing gloves is because my skin is sensitive to some things, and then sometimes when we cut it, you'll see the yellow serum. You don't really want to touch the yellow sap between the skin, just underneath the skin of the aloe vera. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and then I'm gonna show you how I prepare my aloe vera before I would consume it. So let's begin. Okay, so first thing I do is I'm gonna cut the leaf from the bottom a little bit, from here. Now, some of you might ask what are the benefits of aloe vera. I would say the benefits are endless. First, it's like a great energizer, natural cleanser. It helps in cell regeneration and also rehydration for the skin from within. In addition to endless vitamins and minerals, if you can incorporate aloe vera into your beauty regime and like diet, that is great. So, first I cut it from the bottom, then I made a cut from here, and I'm gonna take the stem out. So here we go. So that's my aloe vera. Peel off the leaf. So this is the leaf from here, and I'm gonna try to peel it off. Sometimes it gives me a hard time, sometimes it's really easy to peel off. So depends, it's variable across different leaves. So here you see. Okay, so here we go. So the yellow sap that I was talking about, you see my gloves. If you see my gloves, you see the yellow sap. You really don't want to consume or touch that. That's one of the reasons I always wear gloves when I'm preparing my aloe vera leaf. But also I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get rid of it. So we peel the aloe vera from one side, now we wanna peel it from the other side. And here is our aloe vera gel extracted. Let me show you here. Could you see the effect? Wow. Here we go. So now we can't consume this directly like this. I'm gonna show you what I do first before I can consume any part of it. So I'm gonna tidy up a little bit and bring a jug of water. Remember I told you the yellow sap just next to the skin, and I showed it to you earlier. There are some residue of it here. So before I consume it or anything, I like to soak my aloe vera gel for about 25-30 minutes. And this water, you will notice later that it's going to turn yellow. And this is all the yellow sap that you really don't want to consume. And the main reason for this step is to get rid of any yellow sap residue. You don't want to consume that. And so we let it sit aside while we clear up the area here to show you the 3 things that we're gonna use the aloe vera for. And here's our aloe vera gel, and it's been soaking for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. And you can see that it's not clear, so it's murky. That's good. That means it's just like, you know, just to make sure that all the yellow residue has been washed away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a really, really good wash. And no, we're not gonna wash because some comments I had before in my Instagram video where the people were saying that you can't wash the gel away. I mean, that's not really true, because it's a piece of gel here. I mean, you just have to rinse it. Just make sure rinse it very well in water. It's not going to get rid of the gel. It's still gonna be there. So we just want to make sure to wash it properly. Here we go. And here's our aloe vera gel, and I wore new gloves, and then here how it looks like. So this is ready to be consumed. And remember, as I said before, this is the aloe vera gel that is great for consumption. So I'll show you the 3 ways in which I consume this. I'm gonna cut some lemon. I'm gonna cut a couple slices, 2 slices of lemon. And then I'm gonna take some aloe vera gel, not too much. I'm gonna take a small piece like this. And in this occasion, I'm only going to make small slices of it. Then what we're gonna do is some mint leaves. And I love fresh mint. That's the mint that I have. It's called chocolate mint, and I just love it. I'm gonna cut a couple branches of that. This is my fresh mint. This is my lemon, and this is my aloe vera. And then we're gonna get a nice big glass. We're gonna add our lemon, our mint, and then our aloe vera gel. Here we go. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some fresh water, just drinking water. And here, that's enough, I guess. Some people add to this ginger. That's great also. Now you can add whatever you like. So it's kind of detox water if you like. I don't like to use the term detox, but it's kind of hydrating water if you want, but it just has the nutrients of both the aloe vera, and the lemon gives it a zest, like, you know, lemony taste. It's nice. And some people say that the aloe vera smells really, it has an interesting smell or weird smell. I don't smell it much. I smell lemon and mint. So this is why it's good to add it to, you know, your routine by mixing it with interesting stuff. You can add strawberry, you can add blueberry, whatever you like. And so the second way to consume aloe vera that I would do it is really simple, and it's very similar to the first way and different in a way. So I got, it's tea. How do I mint tea? So I get my glass and I cut some fresh mint. I love fresh mint tea, and I just cut the leaves, put them here. We have the aloe vera gel here, so I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces, and then here we go. And then let me add some honey. I love my tea with honey, so I'm gonna add a bit of honey in here, and then I'm gonna add my hot water. So this is my second way of enjoying aloe vera. And then I leave it to infuse for a bit, for like maybe 10 minutes or so, and then I enjoy it, and it will be very minty. If you want it less sweet, you can skip the honey, but this way also the aloe vera like gel will be tasting like mint. Yeah. And here you go. I'm gonna show you the third way to enjoy aloe vera. So it's going to be smoothie, and this is what I do, is I put aloe vera gel in my smoothies, and it doesn't taste of anything. It's just like, if you drink a smoothie, you won't tell there's aloe vera gel in it. It's super great for us, as I told you before, and why not? So I'm going to do a simple smoothie. So I'm just going to put half frozen banana and some berries. So here I have some blueberries and blackberries. So I'm gonna put them, and then I'm gonna add coconut milk. And this is freshly made, homemade coconut milk. So I'm gonna add half a cup, I say. Usually if I'm making a smoothie bowl, I tend to add less milk, so it is not so runny. If I'm making a drink quick, I add more milk, so it's up to you. And I'm gonna add my aloe vera gel. So about maybe a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half. I don't measure exactly, I just put a small piece of aloe vera gel or two, And then I'm going to go and blend these. And here we go. So that is my cup, and this is my smoothie. Okay, put it here, and voila. So yummy, you can't even tell there's aloe vera. Not that there's nothing wrong with the taste of aloe vera, but not in my opinion. But it's just, you would have a smoothie, you know that there's like loads of vitamins and nutrients in it, and it's great for us. Why not? And here are the 3 ways that that I love consuming aloe vera. If you like them, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below on what other videos you'd like to see. I'd love to listen to your suggestions, and I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel as well. That would be nice, right?